friends, in today's video we are going to see the logic part of how to insert a node at correct position in a linked list. Okay, so as you can see here, this is our definition of node of a linked list. It is having two part, data and a pointer part. So basically it is a self-referential structure, and this is our case which we need to deal here to insert a node at correct position in a linked list. So what is the first case? That is position greater than size plus 1. What is second case? Position is smaller than equal to 0. Third is first position and fourth is any other position. Now let's understand each of these in detail. So what do we mean by position greater than size plus 1? Suppose we have a linked list of size 10 and we want to insert a node at 15th position. Is it possible? No, it is not. And what is second case? What is position is smaller than equal to 0? Suppose I have a linked list of size 10 and we want to insert a node at minus 5 position. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. And one more thing, friend, why here position greater than size plus 1? Position greater than size plus 1. Suppose I have a linked list of 10 node and this is our last node, and I want to insert a node at 11th position. So can we do it? Yes, we can. Why? Because we just need to point this last node to our created node which we will be inserting. Okay. Now so how to deal with these two cases? Suppose user has given us an input that is position greater than size plus 1 or position smaller than equal to 0. So to do that, actually these are error case. So to deal with it, we need to convey a message to user that you have given us an invalid input. Okay? And please provide a valid one. So this is all we need to do to deal with these two cases. Now let's come to the third case. That is when we want to insert a node at first position. How we can do it? So basically in these two cases we are inserting a node. So our first task will be to create a node. Suppose I have created a node, and how we are going to create it? If you are writing a C program, you can use malloc function, and if you are writing a C++ program, you can use both malloc as well as new. So suppose I have created a node and T1 is a pointer in which we are holding the address of this particular node. So how we are going to insert this node at first position? And one more thing, malloc has returned us an address 125. Suppose it. So this is 125 here. That is T1 will be pointing to this particular node. It will be having two parts, data part and a link part. And to insert this particular node at first position, what we need to do is we need to somehow update the link part of this particular node to 100. Okay. And then we need to update in here the address of this particular node. And how we are going to do it? It will be just 2 lines of code. Okay, let me write it. So first of all, in T1.link part, we will copy head. That is, this part will be updated to 100. Which means this particular node will start to point to our first node, and in next line what we will do, head is equal to T1, and what is T1? T1 is 125, that is T1 is a pointer which is containing 125. So here 125 will be updated, which means this link will get broken and this particular, that is head node, will start to point to our T1 node, okay, which we have created. So this is, friend, how we can insert a node at first position in linked list. Now we will see how to insert a node at any other position in a linked list. Okay. Suppose we want to insert a node at second position, that is here. So to insert a node at this particular position, where do we need to reach? We need to reach here or here. We need to reach at a point from where we will have address of this node as well as this node. And what is going to be that node? That node will be node 2. So our first task will be to reach here. Okay? That is, somehow we need to traverse this linked list and reach at this particular point. So for that we are going to use for loop. For int I equal to 0, I is smaller than position minus 2, I plus plus, and in every iteration I will update the pointer. And one more thing, the pointer which I will be using for traversing, I am naming it as cur, and in it I will be putting the value there in head. Okay, so in every iteration I am going to update cur's link part. Cur equal to cur dot link. So if I want to insert a node at third position, how many times this for loop will execute? If I equal to 0, I is smaller than 1. So this for loop will execute one time. And what will be there? Before starting off this particular for loop, in cur we will have 100. Okay, and this cur loop will execute for one time. So the value in cur will be updated to 200, friends. That is, after this for loop, it will start to point to starting address of node 2. Now see how we are going to manipulate these pointers so that these are inserted node will start pointing to this node, and this node 2 will start pointing to this particular node. Okay, suppose I am holding address of this particular node in a pointer called T1. So how we are going to do it? So first of all, T1 dot link part, I am going to update it with cur dot link. So what is cur dot link right now? Cur is containing 200, so cur dot link will be the link part of node 2. That is, here I am going to update 300. That is, this particular node will start to point to node 3. And what we need to do next? Cur dot link, that is, here I am going to update it to T1. Okay, so I will update here the address of this particular starting address, that is what is there in T1. And suppose 125 is there in T1, so it will be updated to 125, and node 2 will start to point to this particular node. So this is how we are going to insert a node at nth position in a linked list. And in next video we are going to see program for it. And if you have liked this video, friend, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.